Hello everyone! Today I will share with you a home-cooked method of stir-frying green vegetables. Yes, this method is a universal method that can be used to stir-fry various green vegetables. It is simple and delicious, so let's learn it. The vegetables we use here are cabbages. First, cut the cabbage in half, then take out the hard core inside, and then tear the cabbage into smaller pieces with your hands. Before cooking, try not to cut all green vegetables with a knife. If you can tear them by hand, try to tear them into small pieces by hand. Hand-torn vegetables are more flavorful than those cut with a knife. Then add a spoonful of salt to the cabbage, add clean water, and wash the cabbage. After washing, take it out and drain the water. Be sure to drain the water so that when we stir-fry it again, we can reduce the water output. Prepare an appropriate amount of dried chili peppers, cut them into sections, and then filter out the chili seeds and put them on a plate. If you don't eat chili peppers, you can use green onions or onions instead. Set aside 3 garlic cloves, smash them, and mince them. Prepare some meat and chop them into minced meat. After chopping, put them in a bowl for later use. The type of meat is optional. Chicken, lamb, and beef are all fine, according to your taste. Add a little oil to the pan, heat it up. Then pour the drained cabbage in, turn on high heat, and stir-fry the cabbage first so that the cabbage can keep its crisp and tender taste, and it will not release water when frying. Stir-fry for about 1 minute and stir-fry the cabbage until it is slightly soft. Okay, serve it for later use. Add a little oil to the pan again, then add minced garlic and dried chili. Stir-fry until fragrant. Then add the chopped minced meat. Stir-fry the minced meat until fragrant. After frying, add the cabbage, stir-fry for a few times. Add a spoonful of chicken stock powder or cubes. I know in some countries there are vegetables, bouillon cube, you can put this as well, a spoonful of white sugar, and an appropriate amount of light soy sauce, then stir-fry quickly over high heat and evenly until fragrant, stir-fry for 1 minute. I share exotic dishes every day. If you like it, please subscribe and leave your country and city in the comment area. You will soon be able to have the special ingredients in the video without leaving home. The frying time here does not need to be too long, otherwise the taste will not be crisp. Okay, put it on a plate and a simple and delicious green vegetable is ready. It is really fragrant. The green vegetables fried in this way are crisp and refreshing with a strong fragrance. Please share it with everyone now.